So, you want to work in investment banking, suits, spreadsheets, and the late night coffee marathons? Before you dive into that glamorous chaos, you need the right badge of honor, the Certified Investment Banking Professional or the CIBP. Trust me, this examination can turn your finance degree into a Wall Street access card. The CIBP is a global certification offered by the institutes like the Investment Banking Council of America, that is IBCA. It's designed for ambitious people who want to understand the real game behind the IPOs, M&As, and valuations and the corporate deals. While everyone else is memorizing the accounting formulas, the CIBP candidates are busy valuing the billion-dollar companies and debating whether Elon Musk overpaid for Twitter. The program covers everything from financial modeling, due diligence, equity research, and the deal structuring, all the way to negotiation skills and the client pitching. The examination, usually modular, a combination of case studies and the scenario-based questions where you act as a real investment banker solving the life problems. And here is the best part. It's not just theory. You can learn how to build the page books, LBO model, DCF valuation, and even the structured acquisition deals. Who should take it? The students dreaming of working at GS, JP Morgan, or the boutique M&A firms, finance graduates, and entrepreneurs who simply want to think like a banker. The CIPP certification gives you that sharp deal making edge that recruiters love and the confidence to say, yes, I can value your company over lunch. But let's be real, investment banking is not for the faint hearted. It's caffeine, chaos, and conference calls. At Dr. Shorob's classes, we prepare you for the world by teaching the financial modeling with humor. We explain the mergers using the Bollywood breakups because if you can understand those, you can handle any corporate acquisition. Our CIPP preparation focuses on clarity, case studies, and the real world practice. You will learn the valuation techniques using the live market data and master the Excel shortcut faster than traders relax. And understand the deal logic, not just the formulas. And of course, our sessions are filled with interactive simulations, mock IB interviews, and laughter in between the numbers because even investment bankers needs a scene of humor. So, what are you waiting for? Join Dr. Shorob's classes today.